Alright everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, much appreciated as always. Going to be doing another review video. This time it's going to be on a project called Run It Back. I'm on their website here and I'll leave all links in the description of the video. Alright, before I go over the website, I would like to show you guys the light paper. It's the best way to really familiarize ourselves with the project. And then I'll shoot over to the website and show you a couple things over there. So stay tuned. So what is Run It Back? Run It Back was launched as an anti-bot experimental meme coin to launch a token with 0% of the supply getting sniped. The project was launched with no utility and roadmap, evolved into an alpha chat pair scanner tool, and experimental playground. So here's the story of the launch. I'm not going to get into it, but you can check it out when you get a chance. Let's go over to basically what they're offering. And they offer this tool called ARNOLDUS tool, a basic pair scanner that tracks and pulls new token pairs launching on AVAX, only available to Run It Back holders, 100K or more, Run It Back or more. All right, so I do hold a little bit over 1 million Run It Back, and I'll explain why, if you're interested, you should own more than 1 million before tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, guys. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to the channel. And hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content. Let me know in the comment section what you think. And it'll really help my channel grow. So I appreciate it very much. All right, so it's a Telegram tool. And it's right here. You have to connect your wallet. Probably that's how they verify that you have access to this. And I'm assuming you can, it says here some directions, and you can pull up pairs, I'm assuming, from what it says here on the light paper. Or it gives you that, I guess, information. It tracks and pulls new token pairs. All right, so they have an alpha chat. It's open to 2 tiers of holders. The main one for 100,000 or more, special alpha chat with priority benefits for holders with 2.5 million RIB or more. So there's a thread that's continuously updated with wins for ARNOLDUS Alpha Chat. So I guess there's pics there where they show where, there's wins in terms of successful picks or successful investments. There's a playground. What is the playground? It's a Discord category of channels for any further games, experiments, or launches cooked up by the team. Also assists in new projects with smooth anti-bot launches with benefits for ARNOLDUS chat members. And here's the team. You can check out their profiles when you get a chance. Again, it's just a brief review, guys, to give you an overview of the project. You can check it out, ask questions and do your more due diligence when you get a chance. So the tokenomics is the contract address. Make sure you get the contract from all verified sources, the project sources. Here's the supply, 420 million, 690,000. Liquidity is locked and contract is renounced, guys. All right, let's shoot over to their website real quick. So basically, if you start at the top, it just tells you how it basically evolved, the project evolved. It says here, as real humans started buying, realizing setting that the max holder percentage had been set at 10% instead of 1%. Upon realizing this, Sir, which is one of the devs, promptly addressed the issue and burned 5 million of the supply. The waves of time rolled over. The market and the tokens exchanged between humans' hands on the market. Can humans handle such immense power will be different from bots buying up the supply before we get the contract. All right, so here's the information again in their social media, Telegram, Deck Screener links. Let's go to Deck Screener. As you can see, I really like this chart, guys. This is the 30-minute one, but it's a nice, slow, steady rise. If you pull out the daily, and what you see every single one of these coins when they hit the market, it spikes up, then it goes down. These are all like bots buying, I'm assuming. Let me know in the comment section. I tried to buy one time one of these projects when it was released, and it's impossible. So I'm assuming these are bots, and then there's a big dump off. And then you can see here, kind of meander down. Most of these projects do this. And then there's a spike back up. But look at this channel, guys. Really good looking chart in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart. And you can see it's really, it's almost stair-stepping upwards. I'm not a chart guy, but I do know a few things. And you can kind of see if you connect these bottoms and you connect these tops, you get a really nice upward channel. And you can see here, if you just buy at the bottom of these channels, you might do okay. It's my opinion, not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Invest at your own risk, guys. I'm not saying you should buy this. You got to make your own choices. I bought this just for transparency's sake. And, let me tell you why I bought this. So, not only do I like this chart, but also, if we go to their Discord, they're launching an ERC404 collection on Wednesday. So, that's tomorrow. And the time is going to be announced. And so, it's only a 100-piece collection. So a 404, if you don't know what it is, real quick explanation is basically tokens tied to an NFT. So basically, the supply of this NFT or this token is going to be 100. So there's going to be two tokens here, the RIB token and this token, and I really don't know what the benefits of this token are going to be. I don't really think it's been announced yet. It says opportunities refer to this thread, but, let's go to their Twitter and see if we can find anything. So it brings you here, and if you, just take a look at this tweet here. So here's ARNOLDUS detected an accidental honeypot way before official announcement. So that's if you're using that bot. And if you scroll down here, there's really nothing I can really find about this 404 collection they have coming out. But they do talk about the ARNOLDUS bot and how it was, it's catching these rugs. So something to look into if you're new to the space, or even if you're not. It's a pretty useful tool in my opinion. All right, let's go back to the main account. And you can see this is kind of blurred out. I don't know if this is pixelated or this is how they're going to look. But basically that's how it's going to be. There's only going to be 100. It's called RIB 404. It's an experimental launch. So you have to own 1 million, run it back before the final snapshot. So you have time. I'm going to put this video probably within, it's 11:30 my a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll try to get it out there before, 11:45. So the final snapshot will happen close to launch, which is tomorrow. So you still have time if you're interested. See if we can find anything more about these NFTs. So really can't find much more about the NFTs. Maybe they're waiting till tomorrow to get some hype up to explain what the benefits will be with these. So I don't know. I can't find any information. If you know, please leave in the comment section. It'd be much appreciated. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it. So let's run it back on AVAX. You need to get some AVAX, for example, in your MetaMask or Trust, and you have to swap on Trader Joe or an Avalanche decentralized exchange like Trader Joe, and you can swap it for run it back tokens. Make sure you're using the right contract address, and let me know what you think of the project. Like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, guys. Thanks a lot, and much appreciated. We'll see you on the next